you right? No, he's all good. He's all good. He's just having a rest. He's lying down. Hi there, and welcome to the Big Little GetWise Show. I'm the host. This is... Just messing with you guys. So, since we've upped our cybersecurity, no signs of scamule.
Yes, but we must remain observant and just get on with the show.
Okay. Anyway, we will stay on our toes. Always. But there's our next big question. What should you spend your money on?
Oh, cat flap! Oh, sorry. I'm saving up for a cat flap. I really need one. My carpets are getting scratched to bits, and the cat did a poopsie on the floor. Again. Oh, so that's what I'm spending my money on.
That's disgusting. A disgusting waste of money. It's really, really boring, Nell.
I've got cat poopsie all over the floor. And he's a big cat.
Gross. I was going to invest some of my money on jewelry cleaning products. And I think maybe I'll buy some nice boots instead, though. What about you?
Well, I want a new guitar.
Oh.
It's getting old, but, you know, the whānau needs a holiday. I think I need to save. Save up on a holiday.
Saving for a holiday, better than investing in that. Everyone can enjoy a holiday.
Well, the cat flap seems like a good idea, but what Tiara said, she's right, it's boring.
Well, Tiara, the boots are something you want. Since you have lots of shoes anyway, the cat flap is something I need.
Hold on, needs versus wants. I've spotted a pattern. Okay, ATM, what do the tamariki of Aotearoa think that we should spend their money on? What do they need? And what do they want? Thanks, ATM. Hi there, GetWise Scouts. Can you ask around, what should you spend your money on?
Hi there, team. I'm going to find out for you. What do you need to spend your money on?
You need gasoline to keep cars running. You need water to drink.
You need food to eat.
Electricity to keep warm.
What do you need to spend your money on?
Shoes. You don't have to spend it, you can save it.
What do you want to spend your money on?
PlayStation.
Labubu.
Lego.
Robux.
A phone. A new iPad.
Back to you, team. See ya.
Malo Summer, needs versus wants, eh? Makes you really think.
I need more jewelry cleaning products. I need to pay the bills, buy the groceries, update my website. I need and I want to go to the gym.
Only what you need. Assignments. Gonna get what you want.
I want new boots. I want a new phone, bubble tea, and chocolate. Oh, so many things I need and so many things I want. I really need to think about what I spend on.
Yep, but we also need to move on. So, what does Yellow think?
Oh, Yellow, yes. Hello, Yellow.
Hello there.
Hey, what are you up to?
Well, I've decided to buy the new Streets Lolly headphones with my birthday money.
Get a Korfai!
Oh.
Korfai, don't be a sucker for store force. Before you make a decision, you need to stop, pause, go.
Okay, I've stopped.
Whenever you are confronted by a store force tactic, like a seemingly good deal or buy now, or you see something you really want to buy, you stop.
Yep, I'm stopped.
And ask yourself, do you really need this or do you want these new headphones?
Oh, well, I suppose my old ones are pretty good. But these new ones look way cooler. I want them, but I suppose I don't need them.
When you spend, a need is always more important than a want. Can you afford them?
Oh, yeah, I've got my birthday money.
Okay, now you pause. Ask yourself, how often will I use these new headphones? Will you care that you bought them in a month's time?
Well, I'm thinking cash-tastic, so... Well, I've stopped. I've paused. What now?
You go! You can choose to buy it, but only if you really think you're making the right choice.
You know, I'll wait. Maybe I'll shop around and really think. I may just save the money. I've got to think.
always know the difference between a need and a want. Never impulse buy, which means buying something quickly because you think you need it. Whew. Always use the stop, pause, go rule. Be aware of store force online and when out shopping. This has the power to make you think you need to buy when you don't have to.
Oh, I am the ultimate victim of store force. All of these years, I've been hypnotised by store forces beyond my control. Everything I want is everything I see, but not what I really need. I will, from here on in, stop, pause, and go.
Here, Tiara, have a cup of tea.
Oh,
Enough.
no thanks, love. I'm allergic.
Thanks now. Lovely. So, store force. Let's get someone from the past to tell us about it. ATM, get ready to extract from the time funnel.
Wow, thank you. You know, I've not been that welcomed onto the stage since I won some Clio awards for getting people to buy sugary drinks and fast food. So yes, I am a hidden persuader, a creator of Store Force, a man who makes advertising. See, I create stories that make people like you think you want something that you don't need. And I do all of it without wanting you to know that I'm influencing you through posters, banners, taglines, influencers, adverts. We do it very cleverly. You see, back in 1920, we convinced everyone that diamonds were something and a symbol of love that lasted forever. Diamonds were worth nothing until we said so. We are experts at making your wants seem like your needs and confusing those shoulder its of yours. So yellow, buy those headphones. You need them. Things never sounded so good until you try it on the streets, lolly headphones. And host, get that new guitar. Why repair when you can have a whole new one? Tiara, those boots will make you look and feel like a new you every step of the way.
Oh, stop!
What?
Pause
What's that, sweetie?
and go. Get him out of here.
Whoa, hey, there's more!
I have listened to Mr. Adman for far too many years.
Good job, Tiara.
I quite liked him. Very creative.
Absolutely charmless man.
I think we can find out more. Our work here is not done.